Hello, Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, performing a home inspection out here in Omaha today. I want to point something out here in Omaha is required to have a CO detector on every floor. Obviously, outside of the bedroom locations is the best. This home here, we just got 2 smoke detectors. Walk around the main level. There are no CO detectors here on the main level until we came into the kitchen. And we're going through stuff in the kitchen, and lo and behold, a little cabinet drawer here. There's your carbon monoxide detector. Not going to do much good in here, so we'll definitely be recommending getting that installed properly in the home. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.